Notes.
Yes, uncle. I have
Yeah.
like when I was traveling, I've seen the videos only, uncle.
Hmm.
Like in the first this one, uncle, we said we will do this one. We will do like trading for 5 days. So we will like we'll buy the stock today. After a couple of days, we'll hold and then sell. That's where we can make a lot of money,
Hmm.
uncle. Then afterwards, what happened? Okay, you sent me to see a couple of stocks: Hindustan Unilever,
Hmm.
TCS, SBI, and then Reliance. So that day only I saw uncle. Hindustan Unilever was positive. Like I was seeing on Hindustan Unilever uncle.
Uh-huh.
It was something green. Then afterwards I didn't buy like because I had a bit fear uncle like whether I will lose
Hmm.
my money this one. I thought
Hmm.
for the next 2 to 3 days let me watch
Hmm.
this one. So then what happened? Like I don't know what can but it was not a hammer uncle. It wasn't a hammer.
Hmm.
Then afterwards, I thought only I'll focus on only Hindustan Unilever.
Hmm.
Then afterwards, I didn't see only that was the last day I saw the market, and then I left it up. So when I saw today the market was down.
Hmm.
So in case if I had placed a trade that time, so today I would have lost money.
Yeah,
So
see,
like
that is the basically kind of trading. It is not like that, but on what basis you have taken a trade? Like, what did you
no,
see
no,
the
I didn't
trend
take
to
any
be?
trade, uncle. I only saw the markets.
No, you saw
I
the
didn't see
market
line
and
graphs. I
no,
didn't see
line graphs.
the
Don't see line graphs. Okay.
No, no, that's what I'm telling. I didn't see the line graph,
Ah,
uncle. I saw
ah,
only the this one in. I went in Grow platform, like in Grow app, and I saw
hmm,
the candle stars.
hmm,
On that day, there wasn't a hammer, neither anything which I could understand. So I didn't take anything. I didn't take any call. So when
hmm,
I saw today,
hmm,
only Hindustan Unilever was down.
hmm.
Like on what? So in the last class, you gave me like three scenarios how a trader would what do you call like buy a trade or buy a trade.
So you want
But
to
like
know,
I
so you want to know how we should have reacted on that day if
yeah
we see.
yeah yes yes yes
Okay, 1 second. I'll I'll tell you 1 second.
okay
So do you have the screen? Can you share the chart and tell me what you have observed, and after that I'll explain you.
okay uncle 1 minute.
I'll give you
Uh,
access. 1 second. Yeah. So first tell me your analysis and then I will explain you. Okay.
okay okay yes uncle.
Hmm. Okay. So this is which time frame you saw?
I saw in 1 week uncle.
Okay.
Like actually I refer to uncle. I refer to Google Finance, Google
Why
Finance
Google?
and Grow also.
No, the candlestick will be
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
seen.
Like candlesticks won't come properly in Google Finance, uncle. But the price immediately show in Google Finance.
Hmm.
I've tried a lot of time. So in
So on what date
yes,
you
uncle.
saw the chart? On what date you saw the chart?
Uh,
This is weekly chart. Now you should filter the. You should check the daily chart first.
but daily chart, like only today is what happened. It will show now, uncle.
No, when did you see that?
I have screenshot, uncle.
Uh,
I think I saw on this day, uncle.
No, no. I was asking on which date you saw the chart.
Uncle, I saw it on Thursday.
Last Thursday, right? So then you
Yes,
open the
uncle.
daily chart. Then you show me the daily chart of Thursday, no? One day. We just filter one day here. Here, one day.
You're like, in this only what happened today it will show, now, uncle.
No, no, it will show that day also, no? Wait, I'll tell you. So
Okay.
today is this candle, right? And today is Tuesday, correct?
Yes, uncle.
Monday, and then Saturday, Sunday was holiday. So this was Friday, and this was Thursday. This candle was Thursday. So that is why candlestick is a very good pattern, right? It will show you the data what has happened on the previous day, but line chart won't show you. It will just show you the line, right? Here it will show you the prices also, correct?
Yes, uncle.
So if you see the chart, so this is the chart for Thursday, right? Tuesday, Monday, Friday, Thursday. So this is the candle of the Monday, Thursday, right? This candle,
Yes, yes.
right? So yeah, so this is the resistance area, right? This is at
Yes,
the
uncle.
resistance area. So we have to wait for a breakout, right? So you should have purchased here today. So today it gave a breakout, right? So the entry point was today only, not that day, because there was a resistance here.
Okay.
This is previous resistance, right? Yeah, right.
Okay.
And this is one more resistance here. So if you take an entry here, you should exit here.
Okay.
Fine.
Uncle,
So,
one more doubt, uncle.
uh,
Like, even this also had a doubt, uncle, because like from past 1 year I was checking. Like, only in candlesticks, like we have this resistance now, like what you mark this side and this side. So when the price goes up, will the previous charts and the previous graphs also change, or will it be stable?
no, previous will not change. Previous is already happened, right? It is already created the candle. It will not change the previous data. Historical data will not change. Only the future data will change, right? So we have to predict the future data we have to predict the future price based on the historical data.
Okay.
So this is what is called as technical analysis, right? Like you, like this department of weather condition, right? They will check the weather condition based on the historical data, right? They will predict what will be the temperature in future based on the historical data only. Similarly, we have to predict the historical prices, historical data, and we have to see what is going to happen in future based on the historical data. So this is all historical data, right? Everything is historical data. Understood?
Yes, uncle, understood.
So, so, so it is not important that you have to take the entry. Once your setup is formed, then only you have to take the entry.
Okay. Uncle, one more, uncle, like in case if I buy a stock now, uncle, it goes by like how to set the stop loss and this one. Is it on ratio or is it on price?
I have explained you that day, na, risk reward ratio.
Yes, uncle. Yes, uncle. Like 1:2 means like 2 rupees. For like for 2 rupees we are making 1 rupees losing. That one I understood, uncle.
So
But
there are many ways to keep the stop loss. Let's take an example of today. Let's say you entered here because there was a breakout, right? So your
mm,
stop loss will be the low of this candle. So this will be a stop loss, the low of this
no, no,
candle.
no. This one I understood, uncle. Like I'm asking in case if in case like I was like trying to purchase from my mother's account, uncle, HCFC.
Hmm.
So there, like, how should I like put stop loss and those stuffs and all in? It only says buy, 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 buy. and MKT and LKT, and that's it. Then I'm like, I don't know how to. I understand the concept of stop loss, uncle, but like how to buy that stock in the stop loss or something.
No, you want to create an stop loss, right?
Yes, yes.
See, for intraday, you can create from stop loss, but if you want to create it for a long term, then you have to use the GTT order. GTT, good till trigger.
Okay.
So
Okay, okay. Like, if the price come to that particular price what you've entered, then only it will automatically buy it.
it will automatically buy or sell whatever you have placed that order, the price, it will execute at
Okay.
that price. Whether you want to buy it or you want to sell it, it will automatically execute. Right.
I didn't
But
know
I
this one,
don't
uncle.
know. But I don't know whether in Grow they have a facility of GTT or not. I don't know about Grow. But in other like Kotak Securities and Zerodha, they have this facility.
Oh. Uncle, one more thing I wanted to ask you, uncle.
Hmm.
Like since you said Kotak, no, uncle, I was just going through Kotak website.
Hmm.
So, there's something called this Kotak Youth Free something.
Hmm.
Because like anyone below the age of 30, for them, there'll be
That is a
certain.
plan. That is a brokerage plan they are offering. They are offering less brokerage in that.
Like, can I opt that one or zero the kite, uncle?
You can check whichever is less, you can opt for that based on your trading transaction numbers, right? How much transaction you are doing based on that, you have to see the broker which is charging less, you should go for that.
Okay.
Right. Fine, we'll start. So in the last class, any other doubt from the last class?
No, 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 uncle. Everything else.
Fine. So what we discussed in the last class, can you just remind me?
Uncle, you taught me what was
Mm,
retest, and then three types of traders,
mm,
like three type of psychology of traders, when they would enter and
mm.
when they would exit, and then
And hammer, did I teach you hammer?
yes, uncle, you taught me hammer,
Okay.
how to trade basis on hammer and support and resistance of it.
Okay. So see in Nifty also you can see that there was a hammer formed on Friday, right? You can see here. This is a hammer, right? Nifty, right? So once it crosses the
Yes,
high, you
uncle.
can take a buy trade here. So, so it crossed the high price today. So now you can here it's the best time to take the entry. Okay. And your stop loss will be the low of this candle, the today's candle, because you took an entry today, right? So your stop loss will be the low of this candle and target will be here, 25,669. Correct. So this is
If
how
the
you
price crosses that one, I had to move.
take the
I had to
buy.
exit.
Once it comes near this price, right, 25669 or 25665 or something like that, you have to exit or book profits,
Okay.
right? So next candle we will discuss about Doji today. Okay, Doji. So any idea about this candle?
I, I think I wrote that one. No, no, no. Like it is one of the weak candle, no, or indecision candle.
Indecisive candle. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Also known as weak candle or indecision candle.
This is a indecisive candle. Basically, there are four types of Doji candle. You can see on the screen. These
Like
are the
I only know what it means, uncle. I don't know how to find it,
so these are the four types of candles. This one, this one. Okay. This one, two, three, and four, right? So this is the actual candle doji, and it is formed like this. Plus sign, you know, right? Plus sign, kind of plus sign, right? So the second type is long leg doji. The upper wig is small and the lower wig will be long like this. Third one is dragonfly doji. So in this, it is formed in T shape, correct? And fourth one is gravestone doji. So this is from the ulta T. You can say that reverse T, right? Kind of reverse T.
no.
Okay. And second thing is that in these kind of candles, open equals to close. Mostly open equals to close, or open and close will be near prices. Right? Let's say the open price is 1110, then the close price will also be near 1110 or 109.75 or 1110.25, like that, right? It will be nearer. So that is why we call it as a doji or indecisive candle. So in such kind of candles, buyers and sellers are same. So that is why this kind of candle is formed, because we have a similar volume from both buyers and sellers. Okay. So how you have to trade? You have to trade in the same manner as you trade hammer. Once it crosses the high price, you have to take a buy trade, and once it crosses the low price, you have to take the short trade. Right. So the trading mechanism is same. The only thing is that the shape is different. So there also we spoke about four hammers, right? Here
Yes,
also
sir.
we have here also we have four candles, four types of different candles, right?
So which means eight. So four in green and four in red.
No, no. In hammer and doji, it doesn't matter whether it is red or green. You just need to see the shape,
Okay, okay.
shape only. Uh, it can be green or it can be red, but for us it doesn't matter. We have to see only the shape. We don't have to focus on the color of the candle. Okay.
Okay, okay.
As far as doji and hammer are concerned, right? But apart from that, if we want to see any other candle like bullish Marubozu or bearish Marubozu, then we have to see the colors. But here, in terms of doji or hammer, we don't have to be concerned about the colors. Okay, I will show you in chart how it looks like. See here, you can see this is a kind of doji, right? Upper wick and lower wick are same. The first one, the first type of
Yes,
doji,
yes.
correct? It's not exactly the same, because in the perfect doji there will not be any body. Here you can see there is a body, right? In the middle there
Yes,
is
sir.
a body, but in perfect doji the body will not be there. But it is more or less kind of doji only. Okay. See,
Then the left one also is a doji one, uncle.
this is hammer. This is hammer, right? In hammer you can
Yeah.
see that the bigger body, upper wick is small and lower wick is long. That is hammer.
So
But in
doji
doji,
means it will be plus.
plus and both upper wick and lower wick will be same only.
Okay, okay.
The body will not be there, right? See, you have to start identifying the candle. You have to you have to start identifying the candle, right?
That okay. That one I'm doing.
You should know the difference between hammer and doji. That is why we have different shapes, right? Okay, clear.
Yes, uncle. Understood.
So we will see some other dojis also. See, this kind of doji is very common. The first one is very common. First and second are very common. The third one and fourth one are very rare. Third and fourth one are very rare candles. Okay. I will try to show you if I find those. See, this is a type of second candle. This is a type of second doji, right? Second type of doji, long leg doji, right? And this is the first one, right? I think I saw in some stock Force Motors. I'll show you. Weekly chart, I think I saw. See here, right? It's a mix of inverted hammer and gravestone doji, correct? It's a kind of mix of inverted hammer and a gravestone,
Okay,
right?
so if there's a small wick down, then it's known as a hammer.
See, the lower wig is very minor, right? So we can think
Mhm.
of it's a kind of hammer. But if you see the gravestone of Doji also looks like this, right? The reverse T. It's a kind of reverse T also, right?
Yes, uncle.
So sometimes the candle will not be perfect, right? So you have to take a chance. You have to take a chance on that candle, right? Because I have shown you 8 candles, but in similar to hammer and doji, there will be hundreds of candles, right? They will not be.
Okay, okay.
Sometimes there will be a exact match, and sometimes they may not be the exact match, right? So you have to like kind of consider it hammer or doji like that, right? Because the volume will keep on changing. These candles are formed based on the volume only, right? So this is a inverted hammer at the top, right? So you have to take the buy position when it crosses the high, and you have to take the short position once it crosses the low. So see here, it didn't cross the low price, right? Yet. After that, we can see a big green candle here, right? So it didn't cross the low, so we have to wait. So this is a kind of consolidation range,
Okay, uncle.
right? So once it crosses this, then only we will take a trade, or once it crosses below this, then we will short it. That's it. इसके बीच में in the middle of this, we will not do anything. If you want to do some kind of scalping, then you can do it based on the daily chart. But mostly, if you are in
But
long,
risky also.
uh, because it's a heavy stock, right? 15,000 stock. Cost of this stock is 15,000. One stock, right?
Last year I saw it was 7,400 something was
Yes,
going.
yes, yes, yes,
Even iChair Motors also.
yes. Aisha Motors. Right, you can see. See here, you can see a kind of inverted hammer at the top, right? Kind of inverted hammer, right?
Yes, uncle. Yes, uncle.
After that, it came down. So you have to take a chance. It is not a 100% game, right? So, so that is why practice is important. Once you keep practicing, then only your hands will get set, and then you'll get confidence, right? So you need to learn to make profits, and you need to learn to make losses also. Out of 10 trades, if your 5 or 6 trades are in profit, and if the 5 or 4 trades are in loss, then you are a very good trader because you are considering 1:2, right? 5 trades are successful, that means you have earned 10 rupees, and 5 trades are lost, that means you have lost 5 rupees. So, overall, you earned 5 rupees. Then you are a very good trader, right? So that is how you have to think. Don't think that all the times you will make profit only. Sometimes you will have to make losses also. Even I also make losses. It is not like that all the times I'll make profits only. Okay.
But no, uncle, how like after that
But
loss
my
now, how to be
but
normal?
but my that will come only with experience. You have to start
Okay.
booking the losses. That will come only with experience.
No,
Right?
like once if I book a loss, I'm really scared to touch the laptop only, uncle.
No, no, no. You have to book losses also, right? Because you are not a god, right? You are a trader. So you have, if you are booking profits, then you have to book loss also. But your profit should be more than your losses.
Losses.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then only you will be successful in trading, right? Even in business also, even if you start any business, there also sometimes you will get profits, sometimes you will get losses also. Everywhere it is like that, right? So here also it's a kind of business, right? But you have to make sure that your profits are more and your losses are less. So this is the main thing you have to make sure that, right?
Okay, cool.
So that psychology will come only once you start practicing, and once you get confidence, and once you start booking the losses, right? Then only you will get that confidence. Okay. Because nobody is perfect, right? Okay. You understood doji, and then you can try
Yes,
to
yes, yes.
find. See, this is one more doji, right? The gravestone doji, the last one, right? Gravestone doji, right? So you should start identifying the candles. And you have to trade only these kind of candles. Don't trade any other candle. See here you can see
Only
there are
hammer and doji.
here you can see so many candles are there, right? But you will not trade any other candle except doji and hammer. See, sometimes when you start trading, then when you start seeing the candles, you will feel like every candle is a doji and every candle is a hammer, right? But once you practice it, then only you will be able to uh, examine the exact candle, which is doji and which is hammer. Okay, fine. This is clear.
Yes, uncle. Clear.
Okay.
And one more thing I wanted to ask you, uncle.
Mm.
Like in the live candle charts, like when the you thought me like okay, if there's a hammer, if the hammer find support and resistance, and then if it takes a breakout, then take a trade, and then afterwards keep a target, then book a profits, then move. So now my question is, when the candles move now, that time what should I do? Should I only just sit and watch, or like how?
You have to keep patient. You have to sit and watch because it has to trigger. There, see, there are two things. Either it has to trigger your stop loss or it has to trigger your profit. So you have to wait for any of this thing first, right? Don't try to exit in fear in between. Okay. Either your stop loss should trigger or a profit should trigger.
Okay.
Okay. So let's say you entered at 100, your stop loss is 90 and your target is 120 and now the stock is between 95. Let's say it's 95. So it is up to you. If you want to book the loss, it's fine. But after that, it can go towards the upside also, right? Because you have considered some strategy, right? So based on the strategy only you have to follow. Okay. So try to find some doji in a Hindustan lever. Can you see? Can you check the chart of Hindustan lever and tell me if there are any dojis or hammers formed? So now how you will trade this chart? See this is a breakout, right?
Like at 2300, like uh just above that line, there's a
Sorry.
like the 2300. Just above that line, there's a hammer, uncle.
Here,
No, no, down, uncle.
here,
No, no, no. Like there's big Marubozu, then there's another candle and one more that side.
here. This one.
Yeah, yeah, yes, that same candle.
So that's a very small one with a very less volume. Huh? Don't consider that.
Okay, and even next to the next red candle,
So you will
that's a doji.
see all the candles as hammer and doji only now. See, this is a downtrend, right? After downtrend only you have to see the hammer and doji. I have explained you in the last class. Now you have to see the trend first, right? After a downtrend, you will see a doji or hammer to trade, right? These two are hammer and trade. So these only you have to take the trade, not here,
But
right?
like uncle, like in many stocks now, uncle, like after downtrend or uptrend, there'll be hammer also. Like which one should I give preference? Doji or hammer?
I told you, you have to mark the high and the low of both the candles, and then you have to consider,
Okay.
right? Based on that. So after this, once it crosses this high, then you will take a buy trade and enter here, and you can exit. Where you will exit? In this area,
Two
because
three two five.
this is the area to exit because there was a previous resistance, right? And once it does a breakout here, then again you will enter here. Again you will take the entry here and exit near this area. Fine. Now your third entry will be on top of this. Now your entry will be
Uncle,
on
one
top
more
of.
thing I wanted to ask you,
Uh,
uncle. Like after every breakout, will the stock go up or down?
it can go any side. There is no
Ah,
100% guarantee that it will go up only. Sometimes it can go down also because sometimes they are fake breakouts also.
okay, to massive previous support.
But that is why we have to use the stop loss now. Sometimes there will be a
Ah,
fake breakouts also, right?
okay,
So
okay.
Fake breakouts are called as fake outs. Fakeouts, fake outs. So that is why we have to keep the stop loss also here. But once you are taking an entry here, your stop loss will be here. Or half of this. 50% of this. Right. So try to find some dojis or hammer with trend. Don't try to trade in a consolidation market. Only pick the trends with once there is a change in trend, then try to find hammer and doji. Don't try to find in the middle. See here also you can see that, right? So there was a trend. There was a trend upside, and you can see two candles are there. And once it crosses the low, then only it gave a breakdown here, right? So here is the short candidate, and then you can go down like that. Okay.
Okay, like even at 2375 after the next big red candle, that one is a doji, uncle.
Here.
No, no, no. This side. No, 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 uncle. Left side,
Here.
left side.
Okay, where?
That one. You just crossed on that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one. Yes, yes.
But this is not a trend, right? So this is consolidation.
So I should not do anything over here.
Here also you can see if you are an experienced trader, you can trade here also, right? For a scalping. From a scalping point of view, you can trade here also, right? But it will hit your stop loss because this is a consolidation going on, right?
Yes, yes. Because
Consolidation you will not. Or what you can do is that you can say that once you see 4 or 5 candles, then only you will consider a trend. Don't consider a trend if you see only 2 or 3 candles. Okay.
okay, uncle, understood.
Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the 5 candles, and now you have to wait for a doji hammer to take a buy trade.
Okay.
Okay.
So the
Don't,
market is moving sideways. I should not see any like I should not do anything.
yes.
Only after when I figure out the support and resistance, then
Ah,
when it takes a breakout or a breakdown, then only I have to react.
yeah. See, if you minimize the chart, you will be able to see that there was a consolidation going on here, right? Then no need to take the
Yes, uncle.
entry. See this point and this point.
Then I have to move on to the next stock.
Ah, search for next stock, or you can wait or leave the screen. So that is up to you.
Leave the screen means like exit.
Hmm. Don't take any trade then. If you want to trade only Hindustan Lever, and if the setup is not getting formed, then don't trade.
So I had to wait for one moment till then.
Wait. Yeah, you have to wait. If setup is not formed, what you will do? You don't have to take a wrong trade, correct? Or do you want to take wrong trade also?
No, 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 uncle. I'm fine.
Mm. Then see, waiting is also a type of trading only, right? Yeah, waiting means it's a type of trading only. Okay. So you have to trade only once your setup is formed, else don't trade. Okay. And second thing, you can keep it if you want to trade with more accuracy. What you can do is that you can check hammer and doji, and along with that, you can plot your indicator. I have explained you that, the indicator pivot points, right? You can
You
plot
didn't
the
name any
pivot.
indicator, uncle.
You can plot the pivot points.
Like, what does that do, uncle? Like, I have no
Ah,
idea what pilot funds are.
okay. So pivot points is a kind of support and resistance indicator. Okay.
Okay.
So you can see some lines here, right?
Hmm.
So what I will
Yellow
do,
color.
I have to do some changes to it so that I can easily recognize which one is my support and which one is my resistance. So right now I will take only two support and two resistance, right? So resistance I will mark it red. Okay. All the resistance I will mark with red, and support let's mark with green line. Okay. I have marked it, right? So now you can see red, green line, right? So v- if the price is down, see here you can see where is the price here, right?
Hmm.
So all the lines which are below the price, they are support, and all the lines which are above my price, they are resistance.
Okay.
Okay, so my price is here, right? So I have one resistance here, and I have S1, S2, S3 supports here, right? So I should always try to buy near the support and should always try to book profit near the resistance. This strategy you can use, either use this type of strategy. Always try to buy near the support or try to exit near the resistance, right? So this is my support area, so I can buy here now. My stop loss will be very low, like very near here only. My stop loss will be here only, and my target is here. Okay, so use one thing. Either use previous swing high, previous swing low, or use pivot points. But
Okay.
you can combine hammer and doji with the pivot points, right?
What do you refer, uncle?
I use pivot points. Actually, I use both the previous swing high and pivot points. I combine everything and use it. I combine everything and use it. So those things will come with experience only. So so that is why I'm telling you that use one thing only now. Use pivot points only. Okay.
Okay, uncle.
If
What
you
are those yellow lines, uncle, over there?
this is called as pivot point, right? Pivot. So
Oh, okay.
since this line is also below this price, so this will also act as support too.
Okay. The indicator name is pivot points. Anything which is in yellow in the pivot points is
No,
pivot.
don't tell yellow because I can change the color from here also.
Okay, okay.
I can change it black also, right? Fine. So you should think like whatever lines are below the price, they are support, and whatever lines are above the price, they are resistance. So think like that.
Okay,
Okay.
understood.
And don't consider the previous lines. Only consider the current line only. These lines you should not think about.
Will these keep changing, uncle, on regular
Yes, yes,
markets?
yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
See, you can see that every week it will change. Every week. See, if you are plotting daily, then these lines will be same for whole month. But if you plot is for 15 minutes, then I'll show you. If you plot for 15 minutes chart, see, it is going to change every day. See, the area is near the support, right? You can see that all the lines are near support. So this is the best zone to buy. So what I will do in this scenario, I'll tell you. My price is near the support line, right? And this is my resistance. And this is my previous swing high, right? Now I will take an entry here. My stop loss will be here and I will book my profits here. I will not wait for here.
Okay, understood, uncle.
I'll leave
Okay,
my
then why didn't it show over there one line, uncle? It